Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. In this video I'm going to demonstrate using the Stylus Pro. Initially on setting 2 I'm going to demonstrate some abstract grapes for you on black card, and I'm going to use a mixture of greens, light blue to create my grapes, and you'll see how I do that. I've got the smaller of the two circles that are available for this tool. Oh sorry, it's the bigger of the two circle tips. I'm not too worried that I've just made a splodge, because I'll just go over that in a second. I've just mixed a bit of colour and then I'm just going to pop it down on the card and lift up. And there's a splodge there, so I'll go there next to. I was hoping. Sometimes you have to repeat, so just I'm just going to spin this card round now. You'll see with the black card, because I've applied heat, it might wrinkle a bit. I'm not too worried about that, because I'll be mounting or framing this piece in some way or another at some point. I'm just overlapping these circles. That one looks quite cool. And they're going to have an appearance somewhat like grapes. It's kind of cool. So that's how to do the grape bit. They look nice. You know, you can do red grapes and green grapes and white grapes and whatever you want. Then I'm just going to take, normally I would wait for this to cool down. I'd switch it off onto the setting 0, wait for it to cool, and then untwist the tip and replace it with the drawing tip. So I'm just going to add clear number 27. I'm just going to start off by just running some through this nib just to check that it's clean. That's quite clean. Right, and then I'm just going to mix some colour in the nib, using 27 just to keep thinning my colours. So a little bit of green, dark green, light green, the blue, light green, bit of 27, and just start drawing. Again, when you're at home you can spend much more time doing this much neater than I'm doing it. Just creating a couple of leaves or so to make this look more lifelike. Don't overly worry if your leaf doesn't actually look like a grape leaf. Most people wouldn't know what one looked like, because these days when we buy grapes they're stripped, they're ready. Just added a little bit of darker green over the top, just to add some veining to the leaf. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video using the Stylus Pro. something a little bit different. It also shows you that you can use the tip to blend the colours and make them what you want them to be. So, sometimes the colours are not quite the shades you want them. And like I said, when you're at home you can spend as much time as you want just getting these as neat as you want them to be. So there you go, little demonstration using the Stylus Pro. And then just to clean the nib, I'm just using some of the clear 27, just melting it into the nib and just running it out onto my underneath paper. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.